Hey crypto warriors, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to review a crypto project. Before, this video is not for any financial advices and I'm not a financial advisor, so let's start. Alright, in this video, I will discuss about this project that its potential or not like everything. Hope you guys give me your valuable times. Now as you can see the website interface in my screen now and the project name is Cotic Inu. Basically, this project is a meme coin. Like hope you guys already guessed because of the name of Cotic Inu, like Cotic token. And in this video I'm going to cover everything about this project, like is it potential or not as an investment project or not, like anything. So what is Cotic Inu? Like you can see the Cotic token airdrop reward, like they have a airdrop right now, so you can participate in their airdrop to get some free tokens after they are airdropping. And you can see Cotic token is sweeping the whole meme coins. And you can see something about their partnerships, like you can see, and you'll get some social links there also, everything you can see. Now guys, they have a mining and staking system which is now unavailable, but hope soon they will available it, like after the launch. Now you will get their airdrop link in their website, so you can join their airdrop directly from their website. About Cotic Inu, goodbye to all junk dog tokens. Cotic will be the king in memes. Wealth and freedom will start from the moment you purchase Cotic. Cotic is there for everyone with an attitude that defies everything in the world. In short, Cotic forever. Like as a meme coin, every meme coins, like they say it like a great introduction about their project. Like this is the king of meme coins and blah blah something like shit. Like as a shit coin, obviously they will talk like a shit. So this is it, like same like you can see about Cotic Inu, the tokenomics. Here is the token supply as you can see, which is really amazing. And guys, the main thing, you will get their quarter address and their taxes, which is only 1%. No masters, no creators, no cheating, no operation, no rug pull. 100% of the tokens were sent to the liquidity pool and content is pre-announced. There is no junk ecosystem at the beginning of Cotic, only pure meme gods. This is the Cotic we love. So this is the main thing guys, I'm really engaged from this project obviously, and the team, like everything. Their roadmap, I don't like their roadmap, like this is the version 1.0, but anyway, I don't like their roadmap. Like as you can see the phase 1, which is launched on September 5th, 2023, and their phase X, it's up to you, and in the phase final, top 10 market cap. I actually sure that it's not possible like in the phase final, but this is crypto and anything is possible. This actually disgusting everything, that it's not possible like top 10 market cap in the crypto space. So I don't know why they say that like in the roadmap. This is obviously a bad impression for our crypto project, I think. Like, but it's really amazing because they have some unique features like stacking and mining and blah blah something, like you can see. How to buy, you can buy it from transfer, like after the launch it will list it on PancakeSwap and you can buy it from their PancakeSwap directly. So you will get some team information like the CEO, developer, designer and marketer. It's normal. Their CEO, I think he will well experienced team like their developer and designer and marketer, but I don't get much information about their team, like their previous projects and everything. So this is also like you can say that are normal. Now guys, you can see the above is from the integration of two cryptocurrency enthusiasts. May the world be peace, free of war, free of clean and full of love kindness. Cotic forever, you will get their support mail, you will get their audit report, and they are audited by Brock Safu. And you can see the audit report here, which is also amazing, like you can see, and they are doing their audit report successfully. Like you can see the scores and many more what you need to check it out. Also you'll get their BSC scan and buy Cotic token, and you'll get their Twitter and their Telegram community link. So obviously if you need more information about this project, you must join their Telegram community. Guys, there product which is upcoming on pink sale, like as you can see, and their pre-sale will start after 7 days. So I'm just making this video and I'm just upload this video just today, and you have 7 days. You have 7 days in your hands. So obviously you can join the Ethereum community right now and you can check it out, that admin's activity, that team, what the team is want actually. So you can directly analyze this token like this Memecoin. Also guys, you can see the audit report and their marketing plans, and you can think about more information in their this information, which is also amazing. And you will get a introduction about their airdrop video. You can check it out to join their airdrop course. There you will get the information like how you can join their airdrop and what you need to do to in their airdrop. Like presale address token natural supply, you can see their liquidity percentage, buyback percentage, their liquid lockup time, and affiliate program they have also. Now guys, let's check it out their Twitter profile. As you can see, they have 2,036 followers, and I think right now they are just focusing on their airdrop to get massive audience like airdroppers. Literally, as a Memecoin, every Memecoin will do right now, like after the launch, like before launch, they are doing a airdrop to get some users, and they are after that they will start their marketplace and something what they need to do, like they are doing. Like here you can see, like they are just doing some posters and then blah blah something you can see. And obviously guys, if I want to tell you that they are not starting their marketing yet, but seems good. That's why I'm sharing this project with you guys, cause like they have some stake in my names. Obviously guys, I'm pretty sure that about investments that it can be give you 5x. Like this is my personal expectation from this project, which is 5x maximum and minimum absolutely 2x. So that's it about this project. For more info, you can join the Telegram community, and please subscribe this YouTube channel for more crypto project. Peace.